Is your gameplay feeling choppy or lagging right when the action gets intense? Don't let poor performance ruin your immersion, because I am going to show you how to lock in those smooth frames right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are breaking down the 10 best advanced solutions to fix PS5 frame rate issues for good. Frame rate drops usually happen because of thermal throttling, cluttered system caches, or incorrect display handshakes between your console and your screen. When the hardware gets too hot or the software gets bogged down, your frames per second will tank. Step 1. Clean your internal dust catchers. A dusty console is a slow console. Remove the white side plates and use a vacuum or compressed air on the dedicated dust catcher holes to prevent the processor from overheating and slowing down. Step 2. Enable variable refresh rate. If your TV supports HDMI 2.1, go to Screen and Video Settings and turn on VRR. This allows your display to sync perfectly with the console output, which eliminates the feeling of stuttering. Step 3. Set game presets to performance mode. Go to your system settings, select saved data and game app settings, and then game presets. Set this to performance mode to ensure every game targets 60 or 120 frames per second by default. Step 4. Rebuild your database. Power down your PS5 completely. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Select Rebuild Database to fix fragmented files that cause background hitching. Step 5. Clear the system software cache. While still in safe mode, choose the option to clear the cache. This wipes out temporary junk data that can interfere with how the system allocates power to your games. Step 6. Disable HDCP if you are not using streaming apps. If you only play games, turn off HDCP in the system settings under the HDMI tab. This can occasionally reduce the processing overhead and fix strange stuttering issues. Step 7. Check your HDMI 2.1 cable. Make sure you are using the ultra-high-speed cable that came in the box. A lower quality cable can struggle with high bandwidth data, leading to dropped frames or screen flickering. Step 8. Turn off automatic downloads. Go to your download settings and pause all active updates while you are gaming. Background writes to the SSD can cause micro-stuttering during gameplay. Step 9. Adjust your HDR calibration. Sometimes the system works too hard to tone map incorrect HDR values. Recalibrate your HDR in the system settings to ensure your GPU is not wasting resources on poorly adjusted visuals. Step 10. Update your system firmware. Ensure your console is running the latest software version. Sony frequently releases stability patches that specifically target performance bottlenecks in the most popular games. Here is a bonus pro tip. Try disabling the Apply to Unsupported Games option in the VRR settings if you notice strange flickering. Some older titles react poorly to the tech, and turning it off for just those games can keep your frame rate feeling consistent. If you face any difficulty or your console still feels laggy in a specific game, please comment below. I am monitoring the thread and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this video helped you get that buttery smooth gameplay back, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your performance is locked in and I will see you in the next one.